college. Can you follow Grandma to college?
Hey.
That's okay, we'll come to every class.
And the monkey will get an A in every class because I'm very good at school.
Is that right?
Yes, I'm very good at school. I give the teachers an apple, and they like me, and I get an
Is that so, Monkey?
A. Yes, that is very so nice, boy.
So if I go and give them an apple, they'll just love me and they'll give me an A?
No, I don't think so. I think you have to be past the monkey.
You got my
I think you
hopes up
have to
like
be
that.
very nice like me, and you have to say, hello, teacher.
I'm gonna do that to all my teachers tomorrow.
Okay,
Okay?
make sure you give him a nice apple. The apple with the worm.
Well, in all the pictures, there's a worm in that apple.
But that's
like
when
the
you
best
get an
apple
F
in
in
the
the class.
Well, what if it's not my fault?
Then you should look at the apple better.
Well, that's gay.
Well, you should not be looking at crazy apples.
I'm surprised you didn't yell at me for saying gay.
You should not say that because you're a nice boy. I was trying to ignore it, but you brought it up.
Alright, my bad.
Okay, you don't say that anymore because you're a nice boy.
Apple
You're not me, boy.
I'm sorry.
You're not me, boy.
I'm not mean, boy. I'm not
Okay, I'm glad me boy not here. Me boy's very mean.
I'm not mean, boy. You want an
I'm so
apple?
glad that you are a nice boy.
You want an apple? Actually, for you, I'll give you a grape. You want a grape?
I do not like the grapes. I like a banana.
You want a banana?
I'm a monkey. Hello.
Well, I think we got a couple
Do you have
bananas.
any banana bread?
Banana bread? I don't
I like a banana bread.
We can make some banana bread. You want some banana?
Okay.
You can go find a recipe for it.
I do not like nuts. I'm a nice boy.
You want it? What don't you like?
I do not like nuts.
You don't like
Nice boys do not like nuts.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Some nice boys do.
No.
I think the nicest boys.
Me boys and
The
crazy
nicest boys
boys,
do like nuts.
they like the nuts.
I call them the GBF.
They crazy.
They're awesome.
No.
You know a GBF? You know a really nice boy that likes nuts? I know it.
I do not think you are a nice boy. Not if you like the nuts.
I don't like him. I'm not saying I do.
Okay, then you are still a nice boy.
He's just tolerant of the nuts.
You can be the tolerant.
I'm tolerant. I mean, I like them. They're cool. They're nice to
Tolerant is
me.
good because it makes you nice.
I think they're a little too nice to me, but you know, that's just me.
Oh no! Do you need to call the police?
No, I don't need to call them.
Okay, if they were too nice to you,
I think
then
it's
it's
funny
where you
though.
have to call the police.
Why aren't you tolerant of them?
I'm very tolerant, but if they're too nice, you call the police because they're bad.
Is that true? Is that so? So, is there like a special, like, a super nice boy police I should call? Is it like 811?
No, you're just being silly.
Are you sure?
You know what 911 is. You
I know,
know
but
811 is only 911.
well, when you think about it, like
You know that.
the
You're
boys
being
that like
silly.
nuts,
Now
811,
you're just
the two,
being
the
me,
two
boy.
circles, and the two
You
ones.
are being like me, boy.
No, I'm not.
You are because you're trying to make me feel silly.
Boy.
I'm not going to
No,
talk to
I
you.
love you, Pants Monkey.
Not going to talk to you.
Pants Monkey, look at me. See this? I love
Stop
to
talking to new
I love
me,
to
boy.
Pants Monkey.
I will talk to nice lady. Nice lady.
I love you, Pants Monkey.
I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to nice lady. Because she is going to go to school now.
I'm very
She is going to college, but she will be very successful in college.
59, they're going to college.
You can be 109 and go to college.
Oh, but I couldn't do my homework.
Well, that's okay because they have special stuff for old people.
You're making me choke.
Are you okay, old lady? I mean, nice lady. I didn't mean to say old lady.
I think I needed 911 for all ladies.
Okay, I'll call the 911. Who has a cell phone?
It's
Who has a cell phone?
I don't have a cell phone.
I don't have a cell phone. It does not fit in my pants.
Well, of course not.
You don't have a pocket.
You
don't
fit in the
have a
pants.
tail comes out.
I think I'll you fit in the pants.
Okay, you think of that.
I will survive.
Okay. I will not call 911.
coming to school with me tomorrow?
If you would like me to go to school with you, I will go to school with you.
Did you haven't found my room?
I thought you went over there today.
I did, but the doors were locked.
Well, you get to still the same class.
Well, I know the building, but would you walk me to my room?
I guess I could do that.
Thank you, Pansy.
Okay.
Okay. Sleep well.
Good night, old lady. I mean, nice lady. I keep saying that, but it's a joke.
Are you going to bed, Pants Monkey?
I'm going to bed now. Good night.
Alright, you gotta storm off. You gotta give it. I can't.
Well, I can't.